Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that's essential for anyone who wants to enjoy clean, refreshing water straight from their refrigerator. We found the Samsung HAF-QIN/EXP Genuine Refrigerator Water Filter and have added the link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what this product is. The Samsung HAF-QIN is a top-notch refrigerator water filter designed to provide you and your family with fresh, filtered water by significantly reducing harmful contaminants. This filter is engineered with an ultra-high-grade carbon block that effectively reduces up to 99% of potentially harmful substances, ensuring that every drop of water you drink is as pure as possible. One of the standout features of the Samsung HAF-QIN filter is its commitment to quality. It's a genuine Samsung product, meaning it's specifically designed to work seamlessly with your Samsung refrigerator. This compatibility is crucial because using the right filter eliminates the risk of water damage that can occur when using non-genuine filters. With this filter, you can enjoy peace of mind knowing that you're getting clean water without compromising the integrity of your appliance. Another notable feature is the easy installation process. You won't need any special tools or skills to get this filter up and running. It's designed for long-lasting use, and Samsung recommends replacing your water filter every 6 months to maintain optimal performance. This means you can set it and forget it, knowing that your family's drinking water will remain fresh and clean for half a year at a time. Now, let's discuss who this product is suitable for. If you own a Samsung refrigerator that requires a square filter, this product is made for you. It's particularly beneficial for families, individuals, or anyone who values clean drinking water without the hassle of bottled water or complicated filtration systems. It's perfect for those who want to enjoy the convenience of fresh water right from their fridge, whether you're filling up a glass, making coffee, or preparing meals. Consider some practical use cases. Picture yourself hosting a dinner party. You can easily impress your guests with fresh, cold water without the worry of impurities affecting the taste. Or think about your daily routines, whether you're making smoothies for breakfast or hydrating after a workout, having clean, filtered water readily available makes all the difference. Additionally, if you have young children, the peace of mind that comes from knowing they're drinking safe, contaminant-free water is invaluable. And let's not forget about the importance of authenticity. Samsung has made it easy to verify that you're getting a genuine filter. Each filter comes with an authentication tag. To check its authenticity, simply detach the tag from the filter, place it over the back of the provided magnet, and watch for the green stripes that confirm it's a genuine Samsung product. This step is crucial in ensuring you're using a filter that meets Samsung's high standards for quality and safety. In conclusion, the Samsung HAF-QIN/EXP Genuine Refrigerator Water Filter is an excellent choice for anyone looking to improve the quality of their drinking water. With its effective contaminant reduction, easy installation, and guaranteed compatibility with Samsung refrigerators, it's a reliable solution for fresh, clean water.